Hello, this video provides an overview of FileHold's integration with Microsoft Office, including the new version of Outlook. This requires FileHold 17.2, so if you don't have that version, please contact our support team and schedule your upgrade. FileHold has long offered integrations with Microsoft Office products. This integration remains for us with PowerPoint, Visio, Excel, and Word, as well as the classic version of Outlook. This integration uses an add-in to include a button in the Office Products ribbon. The integration requires the workstation to have the FileHold Desktop Application, or FDA, installed and logged in. The FileHold menu option has 4 buttons: Add a new document or record, check in an existing document as a new version, do a quick check-in to create the new document version without metadata updates and close the file in the program, and Review Approve to complete a task in workflow. The classic integration uses the FileHold Office Client, or FOC, which allows users to select the filing location, add or edit metadata, or choose what to do with when the file is added. In Classic Outlook, the user could add emails by first separating the email from the client, usually done by double-clicking the message. There is also an option to add attachments independently of emails via the drop-down menu. This was only available in the installed version of Outlook. The web version was not supported. With the introduction of a new web-based version of Outlook in both the installed or browser-based versions, the FileHold Office Client is not supported. With use of a new add-in, however, we can regain the ability to add emails and/or attachments in Outlook. This new add-in is accessible by your IT support team and will require their assistance to install. There's more information on the install in our knowledge base. The link for that is in the notes for this video. The new add-in does not require the FDA to run, and so requires supplemental authentication to access. Once logged in, the new side panel will be available. The side panel replaces the FileHold Office client in Outlook. The first tab, Add, will add the email message and attachments to FileHold. The Files tab can be used if only some elements of the message are needed, such as the email alone or just the attachments. Selecting an element will then go back to the Add tab. When adding an email or an attachment, select the filing location or use autofiling, determine the metadata, and add the file to FileHold. If there are email extraction rules in FileHold, the relevant metadata, to, from, date sent, etc., will automatically be used through the designated metadata fields. As well as the installed Outlook, the add-in is now available using the Microsoft Edge web browser and on Apple Mac deployments. Once an email is added to FileHold, the metadata, email text, and attachment text, if available, is added to the search index for retrieval. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about FileHold's Outlook integration.